After similar CRP ratings to a previous video, me Kaushik, your host and as host, with young guns presents to Luna World of Mughal Society. Get on time with new shows and lots of more masala. Let's reload your TV sets and enjoy.
Here's Mr. Krishan, one of the prominent members of our society. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Welcome.
Sir, you have been in this society since the past 28 years. Can you give any fond memories about it?
Of the society.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. You can give a very clear picture of the society from its transformation to the current status. There have been no activities as far as the society was concerned in the earlier years. Yes, some small distinct from members, but what was happening was a concerted coordination. Actions were not there, and in the process, yes, it was the initial formations, and the society had its own problems to establish itself. And a long way we have come through, and today we are realizing the fruits of all that earlier years labor.
Our society has been like 28 years old. Can you tell me any main changes, particular changes that has totally changed the society?
Yeah, there have been a lot of occasions. Generally, yes, a big society like ours, unless and until there is a coordination relating to any activity, for let's say, one is the society matters, the other is religious, cultural, other activities, wherein all the members come together and interact. Now, those things generally, unless and until it is sponsored and people participate actively, we are still groping the dark, like with 260 members. There are instances wherein we ourselves don't know who is amongst us and who is not.
So, in our society, there are various extracurricular activities taking place. Can you give the youngsters which are going to sponsor it and make it better? Can you give any tips about it?
Generally, on this society, we have a big ground available, we have enough of space available, but we have not been able to take the best use out of that. First point. Second point is like, yes, elders have their own responsibilities or otherwise. Now a generation to a second generation has started. All youngsters are generally employed, well placed, but somewhere they are also still not able to bind with the activities of the society.
What changes would you like to see in the future in our society?
Definitely, a lot of expectations are there. society by itself should organize. There has to be some functions of the society. The functions of the society, I mean, in today's situation, people are taking some lead, and in the process, financially or otherwise, conducting the activity, it has become very difficult. Now, people are looking for sponsorships from among the own members. There's no point when a society with 260 members has to scout for a fund or a finance to organize an activity. Now,
there have been lots of talks about society's transformation into tasks. Is it true?
Absolutely no. It is very difficult to get an atmosphere wherein these type of societies are there. There are lots of single building societies which is coming up, and they want to put towers on and then live a 21st century or a 22nd century life. But then there is not a single society or otherwise here in Mulund or otherwise where we have so much of space available, so much of activity available, and so much of peace available. So we have to live and under these circumstances, and in the long run it will be more peaceful than inviting more members and having the rata.
Thank you, sir, for your time and thoughts.
Welcome, and all the best to you.
Here is Mr. Thali, the Honorable Secretary of our Society. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
You have been a member of this society since the past 28 years. How do you feel looking back to it?
Wonderful. The last 28 years we have been staying here together, and it's really very interesting that to 50% of the members who are left, those were the original members, but yet those new members, they are also very cooperative. And looking back, if you ask me, it's there are a lot of changes in the society environment itself, because initially we were the members of the Mukund company basically, and 50% of the people were from the outside. However, now if we see many of our members who have been retired and they have gone out of society, now you see that more than 60% members, you will find that they are not the Mukund employees, but yet they are feeling that they are the members of the Mukund society. Yeah.
Can you share with us some fond memories of the society?
There are many memories because I have been working in the society in various activities, like Ganeshotsav is the main activity where I was working, and there are many memories, like But recent memories I can share with you is that when we want to construct a compound wall, which is being broken by the Gawalas, and there was a morcha on my house by the ladies of the Gawalas. That was a
Secretary of a society, you have been an active member in the extracurricular activities of the society. How was your experience regarding it?
extracurricular activities. What do you exactly mean?
Like Ganeshotsav, Navratri.
Yeah. Extracurricular activities, if you see, the people like to have the enjoyment in the functions. We have been experiencing, because I was conducting Ganeshotsav for more than 20-25 years, and I found that though initially people are not coming forward, at the same time they like to have such functions in the society, and when function begins, all of them cooperate. Not only the elderly persons or the youngsters, even the ladies. Of course, there are now much difference in conducting of the functions, like, because initially when we started Ganeshotsav in 1980s, you'll not believe the young ladies or the mothers of you boys, they were participating in the dramas and the dances on this stage. Whereas now I find that the children are keeping themselves little away from the function.
Society's youngsters have taken over the committee. Any valuable tips you would like to give them regarding the same?
Taken over the committee of the cultural activities. In fact, this was our suggestion that how long the old people will continue with this type of functions, because now we are old to go, climb the staircase and collect the money and do the function. Therefore, we wanted that it should be taken over by youngsters. But unfortunately, the feeling we are gathering today, that youngsters are not taking that interest as they should have taken. And the main reason I find is, according to me, that the boys are not coming together of all the phases. It's a group, like, a particular group is working and particular people are not working. That is not correct. And especially those who are taking part or those who want to lead the people, like, as you are a committee member, I would say, yes, they have to see that all the people of the society should get engaged in such type of activities. And it's only possible if we go and talk to them, we go and meet with them. It was not easy for me alone or 2-3 people like Mr. Parab and Mr. Desai who used to climb all the staircases. The whole idea was that if we go to the people, they will definitely come forward. Today we are trying that we should sit at a place and people will come and give us the money. Let us hope it will happen so. But actively participating or making people active in the work, that is more important. Yes.
What do you think are the advantages and disadvantages of being a secretary of a society?
Advantages and disadvantages. There are only disadvantages really if you speak, because as a secretary, now I am secretary for 13-14 years. I was also a managing committee member in office where during 82, 83, 84, 85. And my experience with this is that yes, this is because I have a liking of some social activities. That is why I am coming forward. Nobody has forced me to do so. But as you say, what are the negative part of it is, that negative parts would be that no doubt the family life is disturbed. And we do not know, because we are coming across with so many different type of people. We do not know what type of... See, here the smallest thing, if any member wants, they just pick up the telephone. These things are very easily available with them now. They pick up the telephone and call me and then tell me this is the problem. They do not bother whether it is morning 6 o'clock or night 10 o'clock. So these are the disadvantages. All the same, why people or why members or the residents are talking, because they have faith in the committee. They have faith in the secretary as a name. And therefore, they do not bother. They feel that yes, it is my personal man whom I can trouble at any time. And I am proud of that. That yes, people do not feel that they are talking to me at odd hours. Yeah.
There are lots of talks going about society's transformation into towers. Is it true?
Yeah, you must have gone through the circulars sent by some people without putting their names or giving their names. So it is true.
Best phase according to you?
Of course, phase 1 and phase 3.
Best thing about being a member of the Mukut society?
The cooperativeness.
Any message you would like to give everyone?
Yeah, people should come together always. They should not feel, especially I would like to give the message to phase number 2 and phase number 4 members and the residents and the children, that they should always feel that they are the part of this one society. And accordingly they should always act, that they should not feel that they are kept outside of the society. Unless they mingle with the people, they come to the mainstream, it's difficult for anybody.
Thank you, sir, for your time.
Thank you very much for calling me for interview.
हम किस गली जा रहे हैं, हम किस गली जा रहे हैं, अपना कोई ठिकाना नहीं, अपना कोई ठिकाना नहीं।
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा।
लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गजमुख को, दिल लाल विराजे सुत गौरी हर को, हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को, महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को। जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता, धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता। जय देव जय देव
सुखकर्ता दुःखहर्ता वार्ता विघ्नाची, नुरवी पुरवी प्रेम कृपा जयाची, सर्वांगी सुंदर उटिशेंदुराची, कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळांची। जय देव जय मंगलमूर्ती, दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ती। जय देव जय देव।
फिर से जलवा दिखाना ही होगा, अगले बरस आना है आना ही होगा।
Hello, I'm Mrs. Krishna Rajani. I'm staying here since last 10 years after my marriage. I think this is the best society I've ever seen in Bombay, because though I have not stayed in any other society, but I hear that the space in this society is very good. Children can get more space for playing. There is much greenery in the society. And members are so much cooperative, because we can celebrate all the festivals like Diwali or New Year celebrations, or it may be Navratri, and we even have fun fair every year. So I think according to me, all the members are very cooperative, and we celebrate all the festivals with great happiness, and I request everybody to cooperate with them and even cooperate with all the other members who are trying this festival to be a grand success. Thank you.
बोलो यार हाँ, अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार हाँ, बार बार हाँ, बोलो यार हाँ, अपनी जीत हो उनकी हार हाँ, कोई हमसे जीत न पावे, चले चलो चले चलो, मिट जावे जो टकरावे, चले चलो, भले घोर अंधेरा छावे, चले चलो, कोई राह में ना थम जावे, चले चलो, टूट गई जब उंगली मुट्ठी, पांचों मिली तो बन गई मुट्ठी, एका बढ़ता ही जावे, चले चलो, कोई कितना भी बहकावे, चले चलो, कोई हमसे जीत न पावे, चले चलो, मिट जावे जो टकरावे। शामिल भी हूँ, दिल को चुराना, नींदे उड़ाना, बस यही मेरा कसूर। वादों से अपने मुकरता नहीं, मरने से मैं कभी डरता नहीं।
ये खत्म नहीं हुआ।
No. No. चाहता है, दिल चाहता है, दिल चाहता है, कभी न बीते चमकीले दिन। दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन। दिन दिन भर हो प्यारी बातें, झूमे शामें गाए रातें, मस्ती में रहे डूबा डूबा हमेशा समा। हमको राहों में यूं ही मिलती रहे खुशियाँ। दिल चाहता है कभी ना बीते चमकीले दिन। दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन। जगमगाते हैं चिलमिलाते हैं अपने रास्ते, ये खुशी रहे रोशनी रहे अपने वास्ते। जगमगाते हैं चिलमिलाते।
अरे तुम काका बताई भैया हमरा हाल का है। बता दे। निकले थे हम हलवा खाने, मुंह ही जल गया है। का तुम का बताई अब का समझाई।
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त।
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। दिल भर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं, आज ज़मीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं। अकलो होश नमी दानम हम है दिल है और जानम, बस दीवानगी 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 है। ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे